Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to allow microphone and camera access on WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone. Now to allow microphone and camera access to WhatsApp, first of all go to settings and over here go to apps and over here to this app info. Now over here search for WhatsApp. You can see here is my WhatsApp over here. I'll tap on this and now to allow camera and microphone access, tap on this permissions and over here you can find here is camera. You can see permission is denied on camera. Just tap on this and you can see camera access is granted. Also here is microphone. Now to allow this microphone access, just tap on this. Now you can see both the access of camera and microphone is granted to WhatsApp. So in this way we can allow camera and microphone access to WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.